Hey everyone, and welcome back to the place where we unravel the mysteries of Photoshop. And today we're diving deep into a fantasizing world of layer blending modes. Before we get started, make sure you have got Photoshop open and project loaded. So here I'm using the project, and now the blending modes are an incredibly powerful feature of Photoshop that can transform the way layers interact with each other. So let's jump right in. So blending modes determine how pixels in one layer blends with the pixels in the layer blend. You can find this mode in the top left corner of the layer panel in there, and also you can use it by here by selecting the layer. You can get it. Okay, so here we have now the few layers in there. Before that, I will just take out this layer, just cancel or delete this and layer, and I will work with this one. And we have the normal and or dissolved darkens and multiple color bonds. Liner bond, darker colors, lightened screen colors, dodge or liner dodge or lighter colors overlay, and there are several options in there. You can easily use it by selecting this way, and you can use into your layer. Okay, now let's see these blending modes in action with some practical example. And you can find with here the blending modes, and by or you can find here into here. And okay, now let's move into here and use the blending modes. And now I will use the blending modes that they here now is general. And before that, what you need to select the layer, which layer you want to apply your blending modes. Okay, so before this tutorial, I want to use the blending modes for here, the next layer, and go to the blending modes and there, and then click over, or you can just click over the blending modes. Now you can see the changes of this one. You can easily use it in here. Okay, so for instance, so let's use the multiple or this blending modes to create shadow, and you can use it by you can use decrease the opacity, say this one. You can change here, like before you can make it here the fields it should be like there, like different colors, so it comes over like this way. Okay, so here we have now the blending modes, and with the multiply. Okay, so and if you want to apply this one into the image layer, click over here, and you can now also go to by settings here, the effects, and use the blending modes by clicking over here. And it can give you the different one, like here you can now see, yeah, here's the different one. Now if I want to use this liner lights, you can change the opacities to change the fill opacities with the different one. Okay, so you can use this one, and that is our tutorial on how to use the blending modes and our comprehensive guide to mastering layer blending modes in Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and unleash your creativity. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.